Okay guys, if in one day you come in your car and you just start it and you're gonna see the battery one is most than sure it's the alternator. We're gonna show you a video how you can do it yourself. Okay, we just open the hood. First we need to remove the belt. It's right here, and if you're gonna have this kind of tool, it's special for almost all the cars to take the belt out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're interested. We're gonna use, I think it's 17 or 19. I'm gonna check right now. It's 19. It's supposed to be right there, and we're gonna just push away like that. The belt is free now, and we can move it away just like that. Before we go any further, we need to disconnect the battery, negative, positive. Now we go to disconnect these connectors. We have one here, and this one. This one is very easy. We just take this cover and squish these two sides, just like that. This one is a 10 millimeters. And this one, you can take it out. It's a 10 millimeter right here, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and push it. Now we have two screws, 12 millimeter one here and one more down right there. Just lose a little bit, and now I'm gonna use the screw. Okay, right underneath there is the second 12 millimeters. There's not too much access. It's close to this pulley. I just lose a little, and I'm gonna use my tool. Once we took this screw out, the alternator is ready to move. We're gonna test it to make sure it's dead and it's not something what I can do it, and gonna compare the new parts and see what's going on. It looks is failed due to a low voltage. I just checked to my auto parts near me, and I'm ready to with the new one just to install and do this job done. Okay guys, I just processed the new alternator. Looks good shape. You maybe not gonna believe me, but I ordered from Walmart. I find the cheapest one. Doesn't matter if it's new, and I just put it back. Same parts. I took this one from the old one and this one. We just need to move it and to screw here. Put it same thing how it's supposed to be. This one, and is another screw. I just put it to make sure. I'm gonna show you another thing, guys. This is the two screws what they hold the alternator. It's basic job. One is here and another one right there. Big one is gonna go here and the small one goes. With that being said, we have everything what we need. We just need to pull it away for now, and it's gonna go right here in this gap. Now we need to put the screw like that, and the alternator is back in place. We just put it with one screw here and one is down there. Not too much access to show you, but you have a better understanding now. And we just need to put the belt. Before we do that, we're gonna connect all these connectors back. We need to take these 10 millimeters back to connect this one and this terminal and these sensors. Okay, we put everything back in place. The belt took me a couple minutes. I don't know why it was so headache, but I put it. All the sensors are back. Now we're ready to connect the battery back. I'm gonna do do the negative first and then the positive. Everything is back in place. Let's see, we're still gonna have the lights from the battery on. Ready. And voila, the lights disappear. Well done, job done. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope you appreciate this. Have a nice day.